Hello friends, my name is Tony Parmar. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves and your family, especially with respect to COVID-19. Wearing a mask, hand washing and sanitization. We all are concerned about our family, and what I'm going to be doing today is play a double role. One role of a parent concerned for his child and his future, and second as a professional in a company, in a corporate house, looking for a right fit candidate. Now the problem with today's world is manifold, but two major concerns. One is the choice of plenty. So that's a problem of plenty, number of courses which are available, and therefore the confusion for your child. And the second problem is the competition, which has got very stiff. And therefore it's very important for us as parents to guide our children and get them on the track which motivates them, is passionate for them, and is also going to help them create a good foundation as far as their professional career is concerned. I'll talk more about this. And as a corporate professional working in a private industry, what are we looking for? Competition is stiff here too. And therefore you're looking at a near fit candidate who can come in half prepared and just culturally fit into your organization. Now let me try and address this concern of a parent. Now it's very important for us to talk to our kids and try and find out what interests them, which is the industry they want to get into. And once they do that, I remember during our times 20-30 years back, an MBA was sufficient. Today what is important is a domain specific MBA, because that is more focused, that gives you the competitive edge. You have engineering MBAs, you also have pharma MBAs, and I'm sure you have hospitality and service MBAs. We also have these integrated courses, a graduation and a post-graduation in MBA. Engineering followed by engineering MBA, pharmacy followed by pharmacy MBA, and maybe some other courses. So it's very important for us to realize what is the focus industry that our child wants to get into. And also as a professional, I have been into the pharma industry, healthcare industry for more than 3 decades. And I know that when we are looking at candidates in management cadre and otherwise, we are looking at people from a science background, a biology, microbiology, biochemistry, or a B.Pharm background, and people with an MBA. Now, if I have a candidate who is a B.Pharm candidate with the pharma MBA, he obviously has a competitive edge over a normal graduation and normal MBA candidate, because he's half ready for my industry. So as a parent, what was my concern first? I have 2 children, a daughter and a son, Simran and Angad. Simran decided to get into a 5-year integrated pharma MBA course at the famous Narsee Monjee College. Narsee Monjee also has a non-B.Pharm, that is a pure pharma MBA course after graduation. Now either of these courses are domain specific MBA courses. Simran did a course and is very well employed in one of the top Indian pharma companies. And I saw that advantage. My son has also got into the Narsee Monjee integrated MBA course. Otherwise, even a pharma MBA course is very good. As a professional, I've already mentioned, I would prefer a domain-specific healthcare MBA candidate over a standard MBA candidate, because there is a head start that a domain-specific MBA, pharma MBA candidate has. Narsee Monjee has been a pioneer in these domain-specific MBA courses. I would like to thank this university for giving my children a good platform for their professional careers and easing the decision-taking of a parent who was concerned about his children's future. Dear friends, those of you who are confused and challenged in this decision-making process, I'm sure the little experience that I've shared with you and the tips I've given you would probably help you in shaping, helping and guiding your children into a good professional career. Thank you for your time, and thank you Narsee Monjee for all the support that you have been in the progress of my family. Thank you so much. Do take care of yourself and your family. Do wear a mask, do hand sanitize, and also promote the same in society. Thank you so much. All the best.